Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lead a Better Life. I am Mohit Maheshwari and today I am with you with some discussion regarding career and astrology. We all always remain a bit conscious, a bit worried about our children, about our child, on what career to choose, and even for us, we might be worried when we were young that what career to choose. So from horoscope, from a Vedic astrology perspective, from horoscope you can easily identify that which profession is better for your child or for you. So if I say from Vedic astrology perspective, then you have 12 houses in a chart, and each chart signifies each and everything, each and every part of your life, out of which 10th house is for profession. So if you study, if your astrologer studies 10th house for you or your child, then he or she can easily understand that which profession will be better for you or your child. Now when I say profession, so whenever a child is born, then there are some planets which are good for the child, some planets which are bad for the child. So if profession is chosen considering the 10th house and the favorable planets of the chart, then there is no doubt that child will get a success and there will be prosperity whole of the life. Now the next question is how to identify and what profession or what planet contributes to which profession. This is what we are going to discuss right now. The very first question, how to identify, is your astrologer, any astrologer can easily confirm to you. If you give your chart for analysis, any astrologer can easily confirm to you that which planets are better for you and which planets are not so better for you. So if you choose for your child the career which is supported by those planets which are favorable to you, then obviously the success will follow. Otherwise, if you choose the career which is not supported by the favorable planets, or which are ruled by non-favorable planets for that particular chart, then there will be struggle whole of the life. Or the second way is the interest of the child. Now when I say interest of the child, it is very common thing that everybody says that child should do, or you should push the child where his or her interest is. Now interest developed due to the favorable planets. Child will get an interest in anything when that planet supports that interest, or that line, or that avocation. So when I say avocation, there are few professions which are governed by each of the planets. So the very first, I can categorize these into 6: intellectual professions, economic professions, aesthetic professions, routine works, mechanical profession, and trades and business. For example, moving on, so we will take some examples so that you can understand that which planet governs what. For example, if your child have an interest in arts or art form, that comes in the aesthetic profession, and aesthetic professions are being governed by Venus. So when I say art and art form, if your child is has an inclination or interest towards drawing, painting, dancing, singing, acting, even photography, that is an art form. So anything related to art form is being connected with Venus. If your child has an interest in numbers, or he is very good at calculation, or during his school time, during the initial phase you notice that he is very good at maths, then that is governed by Mercury and Saturn. So the professions connected to this avocation is banking, accounts, actuarial science, statistics, data science, trading. When I say trading, then stock trading. If your child has a mechanical interest, if you find that he or she takes too much of interest in joining things, breaking things, understanding how things work, then it is mechanical interest or a mindset. Or if you notice that your child is fearless, brave, does not fear at all, then the ruling planet is Mars. Now when we say ruling planet is Mars, what professions it governs? Engineering, police, defense, all these are governed by the Mars. Similarly, there are other planets. Rest of the 6 planets govern different professions, and you can categorize these professions into these 6 categories. And if you understand that in the horoscope of your child the 10th house is governed by which planet, then you can very easily choose that what is better for your child. This is a very vast topic, and if you put in some effort, then there won't be any struggle and child will get success. Or even now, if you see that your interest lies somewhere else but you are stuck in some other job, then you can understand even from your horoscope that what your interest is and what should be the correct line. So that's it for today. Stay safe, stay at home, and take care of yourself. Thank you.